So I'm going to be comparing the LEVOIT 600S with the LEVOIT 300S. Is there a difference? Is there any difference? Your key features on your LEVOIT LV600S are going to be that it's enabled to be used with the smart Wi-Fi app called VSync, which is the app that controls all of the LEVOIT products from things like the humidifiers to their air purifiers. It's very simple to use. I'll do a simple walkthrough so you can check it out. Another feature that it does bring is that you're going to be having the ability to have aromatherapy. So it has aromatherapy. It also has a added hard water filter that you can have inside. It also will come with 3-speed in terms of a controllable mist. And it is easy to use. This is one of the easiest air purifiers to use, and that's coming from someone who thinks the Core 300S humidifier is the easiest air purifier to use, period. With the unit, you're going to be getting one smart hybrid ultrasonic humidifier, 3 aroma pads, 3 absorption pads, 2 water filter sponges, 1 cleaning brush, 1 user manual, and 1 quick start guide. Let's talk about the LEVOIT LV600S's product specifications. This is coming with a 200-watt motor to power the humidifier that is larger than on your 300S. The max cool mist output for your 600S will be 300 milliliters per hour. Your max warm mist output is going to be 550 milliliters per hour. Its effective range is going to be up to rooms up to 753 square feet. So the effective range, this has a effect, the 300S is coming with a 217 to 505 foot effective range for it as a humidifier, and its tank is going to last you still about 50 hours if you have it on the weakest setting. This does about 50 hours, except its rating is going to be now for over 400 square feet up to 753 square feet. Now we plugged in the LV600S, let's turn it on. And you can see that your indicator is going to be blinking, and it's going to show 30, our relative humidity is 31. I'm also going to be turning on our 300S, and you can see they match up. 31 here, 31 there. I'm going to take this off night mode, and we have it on auto mode. So ours is automatically producing already. So we're adding in our water, and this is the beauty of top fill. I just added to the top. Let's show you what the cross view looks like. So here is our tank. You can see our water level, and let's turn it on. Let's turn it on. This is actually where we're going to be placing our aromatherapy. So we're going to try out the aromatherapy as well. So you could just take this out. There is an aromatherapy pad there, and you just add in your aromatherapy oil. We have some here. So we're going to turn it on. We're going to turn on our mist. All right, so let's talk about some features you might not have known. This will come with not only the ability to be cold, but also warm. So you can have a cold mist or a warm mist. So here you could just have to press the button here. 1, 2, 3. And now I have three bars on cold and I have 3 bars on warm. Let's compare this to one single 300S here. And this is on high. So this is on high on the 300S. This is on high on your 600S. So now let's pair with the 600S. It's super fast, super easy to do it. I'm just going to open the VSync app on my phone. So I'm opening the VSync app. On the VSync app, you just have to add in your device. Would you click that? It's going to say add device. We're going to say next. Okay, so now that we're connected, we're just going to be able to connect using our existing Wi-Fi. And this only uses the 2.4 gigahertz spectrum. So if you're looking for 5 gigahertz, this is not dual band. You can use this with the Amazon Assistant or the Alexa Assistant. And here is the app itself. So here is the app. Very simple, straightforward to use. It's showing you that my relative humidity is about 46, 47. But that's because that's what I have 2 humidifiers running next to each other in unison. We're going to be able to control the humidity here. So we have the target. So this is going to be able to set my target. So if my target's 40, it's going to turn itself off. It turned itself off because it's over 40. You have the ability to put it into sleep mode here. And you have a number of speeds. So here is different speeds I can set. Because on the unit, you only can set it about 3 different speeds, but here you seem to be able to do it multiple. So we have mist 1. So mist, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So about 9 speeds on the app. 9 speeds on the app. Ability to add it with the voice commands. You have a weekly cleaning reminder. You can do things like Smart Scene with this. So Smart Scene is going to allow you to set the humidity to auto stop or auto start itself. So here is your auto start. So I already have you can set it for our 600S less than 40. You can add that, and we can do an auto stop, so that's more than 50. So there we go. And that'll just make some levels that you can set, and you can share it. You can set it to whatever you're looking for. If you want to do scheduling, let's bring this up. You have your display. You can turn your display off and still have it operate, or you can have the display on. And I like that for the sleep mode. That's really important for sleep mode. The longer this has been running for, you can see that the unit itself has started fully booting up, and this is outputting about the same as the 300. The relative humidity is quickly increasing in the room I'm in. So let's just turn these off for a second. Let's just turn off actually the 300S for now. And I want to show you something. So instead of having this on cool, we're just gonna turn this on warm. So now this is going to be a warm mist, and that's something that the 300S cannot do. The 300S is strictly limited to cool mist. Actually, a lot of air purifiers that are ultrasonic are strictly limited to cool mist. And you can set your preferred level of warm right here. So it says slide to choose your preferred level of warm mist. Warm mist can be used with any mode. So you can set your preferred. So that's a feature that you don't find in any other air purifier from LEVOIT. So right now, it's going to be producing a little bit more fan noise because the heating element must be spooling up, and that means it's going to start producing a warmer mist. And you have that all in your control right here. What's our take on the 600S? I think the 600S has this interesting place in the LEVOIT line, especially for humidifiers. It is going to have that mist, so it has the ability to produce the warm mist. As you can hear with that kind of bubbling sound behind you, that is it producing the warm mist. One thing I will say is that be sure that you want the warm mist, because if you're just going to be using it on cool mist, this could be your better option. As a brighter display, they both come with the auto modes, they both come with the VSync app. Their both usage is going to be identical. The only difference I find is the ability to have warm mist. This is our review of the LEVOIT LV600S ultrasonic humidifier. It's smart. Maybe it's the one that you're going to want for yourself. Thanks, guys. I'll catch you next time. Bye.